Hi mga tel, let's unbox the newest collection of Flower Nose, the Sweetie Bear collection. Dami! I have their clip. It looks like biscuit. So cute! This is their silk satin blush. Pero siyang merong palaman. OMG! So ganda! Look at that! Sobrang cute! It's pink! Ito naman yung kanilang 4-color concealer palette. This is so pretty. Look at that details. Ang ganda yung itsura niya. It's heart! Oh my gosh, ang cute! Oh my gosh, may mini puff siya. What's this? Oh, this is mini setting powder. Sobrang cute nito for travel. Cute! Oh my gosh. This one is another silk satin blush. So pretty rin ang shade. Ang ganda ng details, oh. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Look at that. It's pink and meron din siyang heart dyan. And ang lambot niya. Grabe. Ito yung kanilang 6-color eyeshadow palette. Grabe, ang ganda. And of course, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Sobrang cute! Ang cute! This is their dual-ended brow gel and pen. So, ito yung brow gel and yung pen. Oh, ang ganda, manipis. This is their setting powder charm. So, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kaninang maliit na setting powder. Ito yung kanyang charm. Pero pwede nyo siyang isabit. Oh my gosh, so cute!